Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make spinach salad. First, gather about 6 ounces of fresh baby spinach. It's crucial to wash your spinach thoroughly under cool water to remove any dirt or sand. After washing, use a salad spinner or paper towels to dry the leaves completely. This step is vital because excess water will dilute your dressing, making your salad less flavorful. A dry base ensures every leaf gets coated perfectly. Now, let's create our simple yet delicious dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together 3 tablespoons of good quality olive oil and 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar. For a touch of tang and sweetness, add 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard and about 1/2 teaspoon of honey. Finish by seasoning with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Whisk until everything is well combined and emulsified. With our dressing ready, it's time for the toppings. Crumble about 1/4 cup of crispy bacon and slice 2 hard-boiled eggs. These add wonderful texture and protein. Next, thinly slice 1/4 cup of red onion. Its sharp flavor complements the spinach beautifully. Finally, combine the spinach, bacon, eggs, and red onion in a large bowl. Pour the dressing over everything and gently toss until every ingredient is lightly coated. For the best experience, serve your spinach salad immediately after tossing. This prevents the spinach from wilting and keeps everything fresh and crisp. If you're looking for an extra layer of texture and nutty flavor, consider adding about 1/4 cup of toasted pecans. They provide a delightful crunch that elevates the entire dish. This simple recipe is truly the only way to make a perfect spinach salad. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.